this significant person of OMI. He is a former military officer in the Philippine Army, a civil engineer by profession, past inspiring president of Rotary Club International, District 3810, president of Maagap Kakisigan Eagles International, recognized as the honorary degree for Doctor of Humanities, awarded a Certificate of Honor from the House of Philippine Senate for responding to the demands of truth, honor, and integrity above and beyond the call of duty, signed by 20 senators, and now the chairman of One Movement Inc., Dr. Marlon L. Mendoza. Please give him a round of applause.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Can we give a round of applause to our very energetic MC, si Mr. Spalding, nalpahan natin, for a very kind introduction. Before anything else, energy check muna tayo. Energy check muna tayo. Let me see kung mga genuine One Movement members talaga yun ang ito. Alam naman natin na you thought that this celebration will be postponed. Very short notice, and yet, nagkaroon po natin ng paraan kaya na mga key leaders lang muna. Supposedly, ang nag-signify na po na dapat natin ay nakaabot po ng 3,000 to 4,000 members, but because of the unavailability of the venue, kaya po key leaders lang po muna ang naibighan natin. Ibang kaumanin niyo po. Now, energy check. Are you ready? One movement, one movement. Thank you very much for your energy. Our valued members of One Movement, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and a joyful Merry Christmas to everyone. With deep gratitude and humility, I warmly welcome you to the 4th anniversary and year-end Christmas celebration of One Movement Inc., otherwise known as OMI. Every image you saw represents real service, real sacrifice, and real impact made possible by our leaders, volunteers, and members across the country. That video is a proof that One Movement is not only united in vision, but consistent in action. Tama po ba? Despite of so many challenges, One Movement never give up. At tayo ay hindi po magkakabigay. So, we are often called, take note the word, we are often called the Red Army of PBBM. That's why we are always wearing our red uniform, because we are in full support. We are committed and loyal to our president, PBBM. The Filipino people in our beloved country with ever greater passion and commitment. On behalf of One Movement Inc., I thank you all for believing, for standing firm, and for moving forward with us. Once again, congratulations to One Movement on our 4th anniversary. May God bless each one of you. May God bless our One Movement. And may God bless the Republic of the Philippines, and may God bless our President, Bongbong Marcos Jr. Maraming salamat and Merry Christmas to everyone. Let's enjoy it. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us be inspired by his words and vision as we warmly welcome Assistant Secretary Virgilio Reyes Dazaga, Medical Medicine.
Naniniwala kayo sa anti-nanin? Alam mo po kung si Chairman, si Dr. Margot, may anti-nanin nila na ito. 3 beses ko na pinahindihan. Pero nung nakita ko, beautiful Filipino people pala ang nakakarap ko.
Today, we pause not to talk about our goals, deadlines, or challenges, but we talk about people, specifically the leaders who gave and guide us, inspire us, and stood with us through both success and uncertainty. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give applause to our leaders and all alliances of Wallonia.
It's time to celebrate and have a good time. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate, come on, let's celebrate. Celebrate good times, come on. We gonna celebrate. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A celebration that lasts throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on. I got this feeling. Somebody dance with me. Somebody dance with me. I got this feeling. Somebody dance with me. Somebody dance with me. I feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Miss Worldwide, Christina Aguilera. Oye, mamita, dale, que la cosa está rica. Reporting live from the tallest building in Tokyo. Long way from them hallways, filled with O's and O's. They counting always, 305 all day. Now baby we can parlay, oh baby we can party. She read books, especially about red rooms and tie-ups. I got her hooked, cause she see me in a suit with a red tie tied up. Rita and Gris, nice to meet you, but time is money. Only difference is I own it. Now let's stop time and enjoy this moment.
Conocí tan de repente aquella tarde. Cuando te vi yo supe que iba a enamorarme. Yo que pensaba que el amor ya no existía. Si me faltaras tú no sé lo que yo haría. Porque en tus ojos descubrí un nuevo camino. En tu sonrisa vi la luz de mi destino. Quiero que me quieras, solo quiero. Que me digas que me amas, solo quiero eso. Quiero que me quieras, solo quiero. Que me digas que me amas, solo quiero eso. Quiéreme no más, quiéreme no más. Quiéreme no más, quiéreme no más. A mí me gusta despertar y acariciarte. A mí me gusta ser tu amigo y ser tu amante. Yo quiero estar contigo tarde, noche y día. Quiero vivir juntito a ti toda la vida. Porque en tus ojos descubrí un nuevo camino. En tu sonrisa vi la luz de mi destino. Quiero que me quieras, solo quiero. Que me digas que me amas, solo quiero eso. Quiero que me quieras, solo quiero. Que me digas que me amas, solo quiero eso. quieras, solo quiero que me digas que me amas, solo quiero eso. Oh.